How to differentiate yourself from thousands of distributors.
Imagine a supermarket shelf with 1,000 bottles of water that are almost identical. If the water is practically the same, why do people choose one and not another? Not because of the water, because of the label, the brand, what it transmits, and the story behind it. In your business, the water is the product, the same for thousands. You are the label and the story. Today, you are going to learn how to stand out on a shelf full of identical bottles.
The mistake: trying to differentiate yourself through the product.
Most distributors compete where they cannot win, the product. They talk about the ingredients, the quality, the company plan, exactly the same thing 1,000 others say. It is an impossible fight, because there you are all the same.
You cannot differentiate yourself by what you sell if thousands sell the same thing. Differentiate yourself by who you are.
The good news: there is one part of your business that is absolutely unique and impossible to copy. You. Your story, your way of being, your way of helping. That is where you are going to compete, and there you have no competition.
The 5 axes of differentiation.
You have 5 levers to stand out. You do not need all of them at once. Mastering 2 or 3 is already enough to shine. Look at the table.
From one option among 1,000 to the only option.
When you combine your niche with your story and your personality, something magical happens. You stop competing, because 1,000 people may sell your product, but none of them does it as you, helping your specific people with your story and your way of being.
Stop being one option among 1,000. Become the only option for your people.
That is the goal, for your avatar to feel that this person is for me and that there is no possible substitute. That is where competition disappears.
Your positioning phrase.
Let us summarize it in one single sentence. Your X factor. Combine your niche, your way of helping, and your signature into something like, I help achieve in a way. For example,
I help busy mothers recover their energy with simple habits and without guilt.
that phrase sets you apart from the 1,000 people who only say, I sell this product.
Real example.
There were dozens of distributors of the same shake in Nuria's city. They all posted the product photo. Nuria chose her axes: niche, amateur athletic women; story, her return to sport after an injury; personality, motivating and unfiltered; and message, no miracle diets. She stopped talking about the shake and started talking about feeling strong again after 40. The result? The women who fit chose her without hesitation, even though the product was available in 1,000 places. She became irreplaceable for her people.
Common mistakes.
Competing through the product, that is the field where you are all the same. You cannot win there. Copying the distributor who is succeeding. People already have that person. They need you, with your difference. Trying to please everyone so you do not lose anyone. Without a niche or a stance, you stand out to nobody. Hiding your story and your personality. That is exactly the one thing they cannot copy from you.
Practical advice.
Do the substitution test. Imagine that tomorrow you disappear from social media. Would anyone notice the difference? Or could any other distributor take your place without anyone noticing? If the answer is what?
Anyone could replace me.
You are missing differentiation. Work on your axes until your absence would be noticed. Of the 5 axes, there is one that is the most powerful and the one nobody can truly copy from you: your story. It is your greatest tool for differentiation and connection. In the next lesson, we are going to find it and shape it. You will learn how to discover your unique story.